Strengthening to eliminate agoraphobia. This is an anxiety disorder characterized by intense fear or anxiety in situations or places where escape might be difficult or embarrassing, or where help might not be available should a panic attack occur or any other similar symptom. People suffering from agoraphobia often avoid certain places or situations due to these fears. Rate on a scale of 1 to 10 how intense your fear is at the moment when thinking about a hypothetical situation. 10 is the highest level of intensity and 1 is the lowest. By the end of this strengthening session, you would be able to notice the changes. Let's strengthen your midline. We strengthen the central nervous system, the spinal cord, the sacrum, coccyx, and tail. We tense it, release it, then tense it again, and so on, consistently until it becomes programmed. We aim to increase its strength, resistance, speed, agility, coordination, and flexibility. We're going to remove all the negative energy garbage, energy larvae, and entities from any dimension, level, or form that are above, below, to the right, to the left, in or out of your center line. And we send them to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, and energy, black and wormholes in the universe, and other unknown places. Strong to be prepared, open, and receptive to receive the strengthening. Strong so that your life afterward can be the same or not the same, different or not different, change or no change, perception or non-perception. We strengthen your physical intelligence, mental intelligence, and emotional intelligence. We're going to erase all your memories from your ancestors and descendants from this and other lives who have died in crowds, in open spaces, or who died while trapped. We also erase the times when they caused the death of other people and the times when they saw and heard. How others perished in such circumstances, as well as every time they commanded it. We erase the accumulated effect of all this to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with finite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram body, mind, and spirit. We are going to erase your and not your traumas from this and other lives for having lost loved ones and never finding them again. We eliminate everything that affects, disturbs, annoys, disgusts, and worries you when you go to shopping malls, stadiums, and all types of public events. We disconnect you from all the collective that suffers from this same condition and erase weaknesses to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with finite time. We erase negative emotions, sensations, and reactions. We erase tragic visualizations. We erase repetitive catastrophic thoughts and the confusion between their management and premonition to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with finite time. We erase all your memories and not yours of negative experiences on public transport. We erase the negative energy from all the newscasts, movies, and other television programs that have left you with an energy of fear, of anguish, of pain. We erase the need to talk about it, think about it, and seek information about it. We're going to erase the emotions, sensations, and reactions it produces on a physical level when you think about it. Let's eliminate confusion, distortion, and dysregulation from the nervous system to regulate neurotransmitters. We erase the repetitive effect of thinking, talking, and doing the same thing to avoid what you fear. We're going to separate all the fears you have, yours from the ones not yours. Those from this and other lives, the founded and unfounded, rational and irrational, functional and dysfunctional fears that are in your conscious, non-conscious, and subconscious mind. We balance them so they are centered, stable, and balanced. We'll separate the right hemisphere from the left in both directions, erase the weaknesses to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with finite time. Balance them so they're centered, stable, and balanced. We'll erase traumatic memories at the level of the amygdala, especially those that are still at unconscious levels. We erase the cumulative effect of fear, everything that has weakened you physically, emotionally, mentally, in relationships, in time, and economically. We erase the memories of leaving your home with the intention to return and never having done so again due to meeting a traumatic death. We erase memories where someone in your family didn't come back due to this experience. We eliminate emotions, sensations, and feelings of helplessness, inadequacy, and inefficacy. We erase the weakening energy that you only find safety in the company of others, that you only find safety in known and controlled situations. We erase the resistance to uncertainty, to death, and to pain that you or your loved ones may experience. We separate genetic, biological, psychological, environmental, and spiritual factors. We erase the weaknesses of each of these and their combination to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with finite time. We eliminate triggers, activators, or detonators of these fools, such as times of the day, months, smells, tastes, words, and others that your physical intelligence identifies. We break all the confusing associations that come from misinformation, your perception and interpretation about what you fear. We eliminate guilt and shame for having this condition. We eliminate the confusion in the mind for triggering suffering to attract attention, to get help, or to avoid losing privileges. We eliminate the cumulative effect of recurrent panic attacks triggered by this condition. We erase everything that has limited, repressed, stagnated, impeded, and hindered your life, economy, relationships, and mainly your relationship with yourself. We eliminate all the energy of ancestors who suffered from this phobia based on experiences or unconscious causes. We eliminate imbalances in neurotransmitters and strengthen them to be secreted at an optimal level. Strengthen all 5 brains to have center, balance, and stability. We erase memories of growing up with people who have this and other phobias. We erase it with all its cumulative effect from this and other lives. We eliminate the influence of behaviors observed during childhood and adolescence. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong for everything positive, non-positive, negative, non-negative, neutral. We are going to make you strong for everything possible, invincible, and inevitable. Be strong, stay alert, present and aware of your thoughts, emotions, and sensations. We enable all the empowering memories where you have felt in control of yourself. We are going to reinforce the internal dynamics, external dynamics, internal boundaries, external boundaries, and the vertices of all geometries that we handle here and within you at 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We wipe out all the weaknesses to absolute 0, 100% of the time, all the time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, your mind, and your spirit. Reflect back on that hypothetical situation and see if there are any changes from the number you initially thought of during this strengthening process. Thank you.